Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the sector rotation trading strategy. This approach can enhance your portfolio management and potentially improve your returns. By understanding the economic cycle and sector performance, you will be better equipped to navigate market shifts. So stay tuned to learn how to apply this strategy to your forex trading and gain insights that could give you the edge in the market. You understand that the sector rotation is a key concept in trading. This involves shifting investment between market sectors mainly through your exchange traded funds. So your exchanged traded fund known as your ETF and they are based on economic cycle. So as the economic move through various stages, sector tends to outperform others. Understanding this pattern can help you make informed decision where to allocate your capital. The economic cycle typically moves through four stages. The first stage is the expand, the peak and the contraction and the trough. During the expansion, sectors like the technology and the consumer discretionary often thrives. As we approach the peak, energy and material tends to perform well, while defensive sectors such as the utility and healthcare are usually outperformed. So these are basically all we are talking about in the US, in the entire world. If we are looking at the entire world. Finally, through the financial and industrial may start to recover first. By recognizing these patterns, you can position your portfolio to capitalize on the sector movement before they occur. This proactive approach allows you to potentially maximize return while minimizing risks. Remember that the sector rotation is not about predicting the future perfectly, it's about understanding the broader economic trends and positioning yourself accordingly. Now let's see how we can implement our sector rotation. Implementing a sector rotation strategy requires the combination of timing, technical analysis and fundamental evaluation. To effectively rotate between sectors, you will need to identify when a sector is likely to outperform or underperform the broader market. One effective approach is to use your relative strength index. Your relative strength index is used you can use it to involve comparing the performance of different sectors to a benchmark. The relative strength index and the moving average can help you identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. 14, you have to set your relative strength index to its default setting of 14. The sector would show the higher relative strength index often candidates when you have applied this. Let's say those below 30, it would show us the sectors showing higher relative strength and often candidates for investment, while those with lower relative strength index may be considered for exit. So those with lower relative strength index might be used for exit. Technical indicators can also play a crucial role in the sector rotation strategy. Like we said, the relative strength index and the moving average, they can both help us to identify oversold and overbought conditions in the market. The fundamental analysis the fundamental analysis is equally important. Keep an eye on the economic indicator like your GPP growth, your inflation rate and your economic data. Dis can provide insight into which stage of the economic calendar or the economic cycle we are in, helping us anticipate which sector might perform well next. So here are the details of how to enter and exit strategy using the sector rotation. First, you identify the sector showing increasing relative strength compared to the S&P 500. So once we have gotten that, let's get the USA, then focus on the S&P 500. Confirming with the RSI, look for sectors with the RSI crossing above 50 from below, indicating potential upward momentum. Would verify if current economic indicators support the growth. Then would enter when these conditions are aligned, starting with a small portion and scaling in as the trend is confirmed. To exit, all you need to do is monitor for decreasing relative strength index compared to the S&P 500. You watch for the RSI to cross below 70, above 70 from 70 and above, suggesting overbought condition. Look for price crossing below the 50-day moving average, crossing above the 50-day moving average. This is the manual setup. Then you check if the economic indicator are shifting unfavourably for this sector. Begin scaling out when two or more of these conditions are met, fully exiting if all are aligned. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.